Hi everyone, Scott here, Depression to Expression. I thought there's no better time than right now in the sunshine on this little hill in Barbados than to do some meditation. And I was going to do it anyway, but why not turn on the camera and do it as a group, do it together. Let's share this experience. So if you would like, join me. You can sit down, get comfortable. You can have your arms out in front of you, folded on top of one another. You can have them on your knees, whatever is comfortable for you. If it's a little painful to keep your back straight this whole time, feel free to have a chair rather than a stool so you can just lean back. You don't have to have perfect posture if this is your first time or you're new to meditation. All we're going to do here is focus on the breath. That's it. And if you hear the wind coming through the microphone, I apologize, but just pretend you're on this hill with me, okay? So what we're gonna do is start by just getting comfortable, putting our bums on the seat of our chairs, feeling the weight of our bodies against the back of our chair, the bums on the seat of our chair, and just getting heavy. Now with your eyes closed, we're going to take a deep breath through the nose, an inhale, and then an exhale through the mouth. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Inhale through the nose, and exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. One more time, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Good. Now as we continue to breathe, you can just continue breathing through the nose, keeping your mouth open or closed. But as you breathe through your nose, notice your lungs expanding, your stomach pushing outward as you get fresh air into your lungs. And every time we exhale, waste exits our bodies, the CO2. As we inhale, we get fresh oxygen into our lungs. And think for every inhale, you're breathing in positive, calm, peaceful energy. And with every exhale, you're breathing out negative energy, stress, and worry. So with every breath, you become more calm, become more peaceful, become more grounded. Now, if your mind drifts off just while you're breathing and you become unfocused and you begin thinking about different things, things you have to do today, things you're worried about, things you're scared of. That's okay. Remember that these are just thoughts. Remember that these are just thoughts. They are not real, although they seem very vivid. And they seem to control your emotions, and that's okay. That's fine. But just know you have the power to come back to the breath and become centered again. And just take a break from your mind, even if it's for a second. You have the power to do that. So come back to the breath if you lose focus. Let's do another inhale together. A big inhale through the nose. And out the mouth. Let's do a sigh together with this next breath, with the exhale. So we're going to inhale and sigh. And let it all out. Just feel that sense of letting go. And another way to think of your thoughts are just like clouds in the sky behind us. The clouds come, and sometimes it's a cloudy day. And there's cloudy minutes and cloudy hours. And those are the times where our brain seems to be so fogged up with thoughts and worries. And that's okay. But as we focus on our breath and we come to the present moment, that's when the clouds leave. And we see the blue sky. And this spaciousness surrounds us. And this warm sun. And we feel open, we feel free, and safe. So for the next few minutes, we're just going to be silent together. We're just going to focus on our breath. We're going to see those clouds pass. Come and go. That's all life is, just comings and goings, people, relationships, experiences. Let's all let go together. Complete the meditation with one last big inhale through the nose and a sigh through the mouth. Let's do it together. Inhale and sigh. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Now, I just want to let you know that even if you had half a second of mental clarity, half a second or a second where there wasn't a thought, where you did focus on your breath, this was successful. Even if you had 1 second, this was a successful meditation. Actually, let me rephrase that. Even if you thought the whole time and didn't have 1 second of no thoughts, this was still a success because you tried it and you did it. Let's go with that. I'd like to thank you for meditating with us, with me, with each other. Namaste, and I'll see you soon. Great job.